a random notion for notion. Painter's tape. Yes, painter's tape in the quilting sewing room. Everybody has a little bit of it. I know a friend who uses her painter's tape to mark her quilts, so she will space her quilts according to the thickness of the painter's tape. Sew right next to it, move it, sew right next to it, move it, and that way she's got perfectly spaced lines. I've seen people stack this up next to their needle to make a barrier so that they have a 1/4 inch seam. I've seen people just tape. I use it when I'm doing weaving to tape around the edges to keep everything adhered before I run my needle around it, and then I just pull it and toss it. Painter's tape, who'd have thunk it? And it comes in a bunch of different thicknesses, which I have. I have like a 1/4 inch thickness, 1/2 inch, full inch, random. But I seem to always need a little painter's tape. So keep some painter's tape in your sewing room. Random, I know. Is it necessary? For me, yes. Because I seem to always need it. Painter's tape, who'd have thunk it? All right, guys, I will check you later for another Notions for Notions video.